Did you know that effective feedback can transform team dynamics? It's not just about pointing out mistakes, it's about fostering growth and collaboration. Let's explore why feedback is crucial in the workplace. Clear communication can make or break a team. When feedback is precise, it enhances understanding and builds trust. Let's dive into how this impacts team dynamics positively. Have you heard of the SBI Feedback Model? It stands for Situation Behavior Impact. This model structures feedback effectively, making it clear and actionable. By using SBI, you can provide feedback that's specific and non-personal. Let's see how this model can transform your feedback approach. The SBI model consists of 3 components: situation, behavior, and impact. Each part plays a crucial role in delivering clear communication. Understanding each component helps in crafting feedback that's precise and constructive. Let's explore how each part contributes to effective communication. Describing the situation objectively is the first step. It sets the context and ensures clarity. Learn how to articulate the situation without bias. Context is key in feedback. By providing a clear situation, you lay the groundwork for understanding and improvement. Addressing specific behaviors rather than personal traits is crucial. It prevents defensiveness and encourages openness. Focusing on behavior makes feedback more effective. It's about actions, not character, leading to constructive conversations. Communicating the impact of behaviors clearly is essential. It helps the recipient understand the consequences of their actions. Explaining impact is crucial for understanding. It connects behavior to outcomes, making feedback meaningful and actionable. Let's see SBI feedback in action. In yesterday's meeting, you interrupted the vendor 3 times. We lost momentum. Suggesting alternatives constructively is key. Could you hold questions until the end next time? This approach fosters improvement. Now it's your turn to practice using the SBI model. Try crafting feedback using situation, behavior, and impact. Consistent feedback using SBI leads to growth and understanding. Let's recap the benefits of this powerful model. By using SBI, you'll enhance communication and foster a positive work environment. It's a simple yet effective tool for growth. Remember, effective feedback is a skill that can be developed. Practice makes perfect, and SBI is your guide. Let's continue learning together. Apply the SBI model in your next feedback session and see the difference it makes. Take action today. Start using the SBI model to transform your feedback approach and enhance your team's dynamics.